Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to print double-sided in Google Docs. So assuming your printer supports the duplex printing, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. You just need to press in keyboard Control plus P key at the same time, or you can also select this print icon over here, and after that you just need to select this drop down in more settings. And then if your printer support duplex printing, there will be option guys under more settings. You will be see the option to print on both sides. You just need to select that option. After that click on print, and that's all you have to do it guys. It's a printer specific settings guys, it's not a Google Docs itself. And if your printer supports duplex printing, then you can able to see the option over here guys to print on both sides. And I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.